My name is Shamim Kausar. Today I will discuss about washing.
What is garment wash?
The technology which is used to modify the appearance, outlook, comfortability and fashion of the garments. It's called garment wash.
What's the purpose of wash?
There is many purpose of washing. Firstly, if garments have dust, so we can remove the dust by washing. Second, for color fastness. Third, for brightness. Fourth, for shrinkage control. 5, outlooking. 6, special effect, and there is many purpose of washing.
Please tell me some dry process name.
Many type of dry process. Actually, it is required by buyer. Now I am telling some dry process name. Sand blasting, hand scraping, whisker, crinkle, overall crinkle, broken, tagging, grinding, destroy, PP spray, chevron, tie mark.
How many kinds of wet process?
Many kind of wet process. We can say many kind of wash. Normal wash, rinse wash, garment wash, pigment wash, caustic wash, silicone wash, stone wash, enzyme wash, stone enzyme wash, acid wash, bleach wash, towel wash. The washing name is depending on the using chemical and method.
What kinds of testing you done in washing?
Many kinds of washing test. Actually, it is depend on the requirement of buyer. Now I am telling some testing name. Tearing test, rubbing test, color fastness test, GSM test, pH test.
What is pH test? How can control pH?
pH testing is very important in the wash because if we not control the pH, then we cannot use these garments comfortably. It will danger for us. So we can control the pH by using acetic acid. We can control the pH value in garments.
Please tell me some chemical name.
Many types of chemical we using in the washing. Now I am telling some important and most usable chemical name. Sodium meta, peroxide, caustic soda, bleach KCl, caustic potash, pumic stone, optical brightener, sodium hypro, enzyme, acetic acid, softener, detergent, buffer, fixing, resin, many kind of tin, many kind of brightener, red brightener, blue brightener, yellow brightener.
What types of problems occurred during enzyme process?
We can face many problems during the enzyme time. If water less, charisma will come on the garments. If enzyme time is more, sham will be damaged. If enzyme percentage is more, that time indigo will lose before abrasion coming. And we can face tearing problem.
Tell me main process of stone enzyme wash for denim long pant.
Stone enzyme wash is a long time process. Now I am telling some main important process. Deciding, hot wash, stone enzyme, bleaching, neutral wash, soft wash, hydro, dyer. After that quality check and ready for delivery.
What kinds of defect in the washing? Tell me some washing fault.
Color shade variation, crease mark, after wash hole, dark or light, bleach spot, acid spot, bottom hem damage, running shade, over blasting, over grinding, more grinding, less grinding, poor hand feel hard, poor brightness, halo effect, spot on the garments. and there is many kind of problem and many kind of washing fault. Also dry process fault, pp less, pp more, grinding less, grinding more, over grinding, destroy displace, destroy more, unclean destroy, tie mark less, tie mark more.
Thanks to Mr. Shamim.
You are welcome.